Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to highlight text in Google Doc. So let's start the video. At first, open the document where you want to highlight. Now click and drag your mouse to select the word, sentence or paragraph. Once the text is selected, go to the toolbar and you will see the highlighter frame. Click on it and a color palette will appear. From here, choose any color you want, and there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.